Okay, so this is how to build a goblin puppet, part 5. This guy is going to be on the show Spell Fury. It's an online fantasy show that we make. My name is T-Bone Pearson. Thanks so much for watching. Let's get to it. All right, off to the local dollar store where I'm going to buy some more duct tape, which I'm out of, and some more tinfoil and some feathers. Okay, ears. I drew those on a piece of paper, and I'm not sure which one I'm going to go for, so I cut them both out, and I'm just testing out which one I like better. And that's the winner, which I cut out of cardboard, and I put a bit of wire hanger on there with some hot glue, just so it just makes it more stable. Start to apply some more duct tape and tin foil onto the ear just to build it up. I put both ears on, and hey, there you go. He can hear now. All right, that's the side view. Starting to look good. Just building off that box, and now the chin. So I basically took a clump of tin foil and wrapped it in duct tape. Surprise, surprise, more and more duct tape. Yeah, looking good, buddy. Okay, now the brows. So I'm just rolling up little bits of aluminum foil and applying duct tape to stick it on there and see if I like it. I do, so I put more duct tape over it, covering it, making it like a skin that I can apply feathers to. Now the top of the head. Put a big clump up there. Do I like it? Oh my God! Goblin down! Okay, so just building it, I bent the end of the nose here in this one. Building up the eyebrow and the ears and the top of the head. Starting to really shape up here. There's the top view of everything. So if you're following along, I'm now working on the ears. The ears and the top of the head, shaping it. Oh, a friend of mine, I bought these off of him. Gonna use them on the show Spell Fury. Okay, back to the goblin. The ears from the side don't look that realistic. The brows are coming along, so I'm gonna keep building these up. It looked great from the front, but not so much from the side. So I've built these up, again, aluminum foil with little rolls and more duct tape. And okay, what's this here? Okay, I'm just building up the brows a bit. Now here's the ear. This took quite a while, so I just kept building it and building it. So when we shoot the goblin from the side, it'll look like there's some depth to him and it'll look more 3D. So it's sort of tedious, but it's well worth it. Let's just put the duct tape away for a bit on the holder. And that was a lunch break. Now let's get that duct tape on the ear, keep building it up. We're almost done this ear. And there we go. Let's look at it from the front. Looking good. I love it. Okay, guys, that's all I'm going to do for today. Please like, comment. Please comment. I love your guys' comments. They're fantastic. Please comment below, and I'll talk to you later.